I think the anticipation of the C7 Corvette design will probably go down in history as one of the more stressful periods in the life of a Corvette fan. We were all counting on the GM design team to create a worthy successor to one of America's most cherished icons. And the consensus here is that they've exceeded all expectations. We ordered 2 Stingrays for our R&D development program, and taking delivery of those cars was really the first chance most of us had to take a close look. Once we had a chance to take it apart and look at the engineering, the technology, and the potential for improvement in the exhaust, we came to a second realization. And that was that this car was made for Borla. I'm David Borla, VP of Sales and Marketing here at Borla Performance. And there are 3 reasons why I say the C7 was made for our exhaust. The first 2 are shared by all vehicles. Our ability to unleash the car's hidden potential for power and sound that is constricted by the more conservative factory system, and the fact that every exhaust we make is built and tuned on a vehicle-specific basis to maximize performance. The third reason is due to the C7's NPP technology. The NPP option for the C7 uses a set of valves within the exhaust to change the sound to one of 2 stages, depending on which drive mode is selected. A lot of other exhaust manufacturers have understandably decided to avoid developing NPP valve systems, mostly because they're complex and expensive to develop, but at Borla we've embraced it, and I'll tell you why. We've built our reputation on the ability to offer people a variety of choices for sound. Our touring technology gives you a low volume rumble that's slightly louder than stock under idle and cruise, but really wakes up when you squeeze the throttle. Our S-Type sound is much more aggressive throughout the entire power band. And then there's Borla's Attack, a big volume rush that's tuned like a graphic equalizer. Normally, you'd have to choose between Touring, S-Type, and Attack when you buy a Borla exhaust. But with the Stingray's NPP system, we're actually able to offer 2 of those popular sound technologies in the same system. There are 2 Borla rear section exhaust systems for NPP-equipped Stingrays, S-Type and Attack. Now in both systems, Borla's low rumble touring sound is produced when the vehicle is in weather, eco, or touring mode. But when the driver selects sport or track mode, the electronic actuators open Borla's valves to route the exhaust through the higher volume S-Type or Attack cores. Here's how it comes together. Both systems are available with 3 choices for tips: round angle cut, round angle cut intercooled, and our exclusive Borla Prism tips. Each of these is available in bright or black chrome. Sound and power are enhanced even more when you add a Borla X-Pipe, which actually gives you a complete Borla catback system. We offer several models of X-Pipes that allow you to retain the factory cats, delete them, or incorporate Borla's high-flow race cats. For those of you who will be doing professional racing, weekend track time, or just want to squeeze the absolute maximum performance and sound from your exhaust, Borla offers mandrel bent, long tube headers developed specifically for the Stingray. Rounding out Borla's product line for the C7 is our exhaust diffuser. Featuring premium aluminum construction with durable metallic powder coating, this bolt-on upgrade is about form and function. You can actually see what the diffuser is going to look like on your Stingray, along with all the tip styles, by using the visualizer on our website. Here, you can also learn more about Borla's sound technologies and get more details on our entire product line for the new C7. If you have any questions, visit Borla.com or just call us at 877-GO-BORLA. Here's to many years of driving thrills with your Stingray, and we hope you take us along for the ride.